Okay, wait. Rewind. We didn't tell you guys where we're going yet, did we? Well, I guess you probably guessed by the video that we're in Madeira now. But it's a little bit more complicated than that, because we're going to Madeira for a month. It was cheaper to fly to Lisbon. The flights from Montreal to Lisbon were cheaper, and then we could take a smaller airline to Madeira. So we did Montreal, Lisbon, Madeira. And then we're going to Greece after that for 2 months. So we're going to be doing Madeira to Lisbon, then Lisbon to Athens, and then Athens to Crete, on the island of Crete. So we're going to be living there for 2 months. So that'll be fun. Keep up in the videos and you'll see our hiking and our travels and things we do. Okay, so we're close to Sintra. We're trying to go up and see the castle, but all the roads were being diverted and there were little buses that were going up. But
this was
Since January 1st, we can't park on top for the castle, so now we have to hike up. It's in front of this hotel.
And it's a 1-hour hike up. So this is the first house we rent in Madeira at Paul Domar. It is absolutely amazing. And it's got this secret little nook under the stairs. If you want to sit under the stairs and a bunch of small rocks.
Hey, I'm just chilling here. Chilling away.
Now it really, it really looks like John's sitting in a gigantic ashtray. Look at this rocket.
I don't get the purpose of this, but hey. Okay, so one thing that I did for this trip, I went out and got a gimbal for my Sony A7 III so that the videos are going to be a bit less shaky. Right now Brianna's trying it out to get used to it. So who knows, maybe I'll make a review of it later on. I don't know, I'm not really a review type person, but we'll see.